It can be a painful time in a woman's life emotionally and physically. For women undergoing breast cancer treatment, feeling comfortable and confident can help them along the way. To talk more about this is Colette Hammond with Brotopia and Jody Stoski with Cinnamon Girl Clinic. They join us this morning. Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having us.
I'm really glad we're talking about this because it's a tough conversation to have, and it's one that not a lot of people think about, unless you were saying, Jody, unless you have to think about it.
Yeah.
So Colette, tell us about your philosophy with what you do to help women who are going through treatment and recovery.
So where we typically see women is through recovery. So we don't actually do prosthetic fittings, but what a lot of women don't realize is with the newest prosthetic technology, you can wear them with any bra. So what we want those women to feel is just that they're back to normal. They don't need to look for specialty product. They don't need to be shopping at specialty stores for that product, that we can put them in regular, sexy, everyday bras that everyone wears.
Because what are the restrictions with a mastectomy bra or something
so
that is
a lot of women
recommended?
feel that they need a mastectomy bra that has a pocket built into it.
Right.
And now the newest prosthetics, you can wear them directly against your skin and they'll stay in place. And we've worked with them. We've worked with partials and completes. So all you need to do is bring in your prosthetic and we'll find a cut that works. This also translates into swimwear. Swimwear, it's not as hidden.
Right.
So a lot of mainstream high fashion swim companies are now building their top suits with a mastectomy pocket. So you and I don't know it's there, but as the retailer, we know it's there so that we can accommodate that woman. So again, she's just shopping in the same section as everyone else in the store.
Yeah, that must just make such a big difference for women, especially those who don't know that that's available even. And Jody, this surprised me about what you do, and that we were just talking about how, you know, you put mascara on in the morning or you do your makeup, it makes you feel good. But for a lot of women, they lose their hair, eyebrows, eyelashes. Where do you come in?
Well, we can come in at many different parts of the journey for a woman going through cancer. Sometimes we'll see a woman who's been just newly diagnosed and needs some help and guidance on to, like, how can I look normal? How can I look like myself while I'm going through that? So we offer tattooing of the brows, of a lash enhancement to create what looks like more eyelashes, so that when you do add like a great wig on top of it, that woman really still looks like herself. And I have a lot of clients that come through that can go through cancer and be at work the whole time, and not even their colleagues know that they're going through it, which is pretty cool. It's a great option to have.
And it was interesting to note also that you consult with doctors on this as well.
We do. So we work pretty closely with the Tom Baker Cancer Center, and this month we're actually going to be at Bra Day, which is when a woman who is going through breast cancer has the opportunity to come and see what a mastectomy looks like, what a mastectomy doesn't look like, the scarring, what the tattooing looks like afterwards. So we're there with the oncologists and the surgeons to sort of showcase what can happen, and that's just a really nice cushion for a woman going through a process like that.
And Colette, what are women saying to you after you help them about how they feel?
So one of the feedback that we've received as well is when they're initially going through treatment and they go where they go to get fit with a prosthetic and they're originally buying product, they also associate that place with depression. Okay. So once they've pulled through and they've recovered and they don't want to go back there because it triggers that feeling. So they want to just again continue life as they would.
Yeah, wonderful. Thank you so much, ladies, for coming in and talking about this. Some really good information there. The websites to check out, brotopia.ca for more information, and cinnamongirlclinic.ca. Thanks again.
Thank you.